Good morning, people. We are out again at Lake Mead, Echo Bay. Just myself today fishing on the kayak. We just launched. There's the truck. Gonna head to our first coves. Gonna head to our usual spots, of course. Check it out. Super nice right now. Not a whole lot of wind. Temperature, I think it's like low 70s, so super nice. But nice Friday morning, pretty quiet right now, which is nice. We'll go see if we can get on some fish today, guys. All right, wish me luck. Here we go. All right, we're gonna do a little top water first, see if we can get on anything here. A little whopper plopper action. Never caught anything on this plopper yet, so let's see if we can get him to bite. Big splash way down there. Lots of birds, it's good. Maybe a little slower. Or the swapper plopper is too big. I think this is the size 210. It's the big one. Ooh, a little bite. There we go. Ooh, that's a good size one. Let's go, baby. The plopper. Yeah, baby. All right, first fish on, baby. It was a good one. Let's see if we can get any more. So he was like ambushing the edge over there, so I don't think they're out here in the middle. It could be. I think we're gonna go for the edges. If we can get any more in this plopper, baby. A little bit slower, I think, is the key. I don't know, we'll see. They like it fast, they like it slow. If you got any hiding in the bushes over here. Up. And we were in another heat wave. Hopefully it's the last heat wave of this year. Temps can start cooling off. Be nice to be able to fish almost all day. Never done that yet, so that'll be kind of fun. Not sure if my wife would like that, but it'd be cool to fish for a few hours and not get torched by the sun. That fish tell all his friends not to hit this, or what? They're here. Either they're small ones and this one's too big for them, or they're just looking at it. Put my shades on. Come on, baby. Couple more casts and we're gonna switch it up. There we go. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Ooh, another good one. Yes, sir. This one's a tank. Hell yeah. Baby. Let's go. Guys, I think that's my PB. Has to be. This guy's huge. Woo-hoo. Alright guys, fish number 2 in this cove. 2 big ones. And big for Lake Mead, I think. Biggest ones I've caught this year so far. That feels good, guys. You guys that fish know what I'm talking about. Getting that blow up and that line getting tight. Nothing better, baby. That was awesome. Yeah, they're busting here pretty good. I think top water is gonna be solid right here. Using the plopper. I think this is a Berkeley Chopo. I can't remember the size. 120 maybe? First time I've caught fish on this thing. I've thrown it a few times before, but no luck. That fish just popped right next to me right there. Holy cow. Can't remember how I was retrieving it, if it was slow, if it was fast. Maybe a little bit of both. The wind just died down, or I'm covered in this cove, but I think it just died down because I don't even see any more waves. Oh, there was a big splash out there. I think the stripers are boiling out there. I do love catching stripers, but I'm targeting bass mainly. Stripers for me are just a plus now. But when I was first starting to fish out here, all I caught were stripers. Never really caught largemouth and smallmouth until recently. Feels good, guys. Really good. I know I said I was gonna put it down, but when you catch a fish, it's like, you just want to keep using it. You never want to put it down when you're catching fish. Should we try the jerk bait? Keep trying this plopper a little bit longer again. If we don't get another bite soon, we'll switch it up. Maybe faster. Ooh, what the? How's that? Did I just break it? I think I just broke it. Oh yeah, it's broken. Well, I slapped my bait into the water and broke the tail. So, plopper is done for today. Dang. That sucks. Not even chasing. There we go. Finally. Stay on. Another good sized one. Oh my goodness. Oh, dude. What's up with the fish today? Massive today. Oh boy, finally, guys. Oh man, I was gonna go crazy. Let's go. All right, guys. Well, I was gonna change from this white, but then we got that huge freaking smallie. So I'm gonna keep it on for now. See if we can get on any more here. Oh, guys, that felt good. It's getting desperate. It's getting ready to give up. Change locations. But sometimes you gotta keep trying, keep chugging along. So we got largies, we got smallies. Should we try for some stripers to get the trifecta? Could. Just gotta look for them boiling over there. Shouldn't be too hard, but I really love fishing for some smallies and largies right now. They're so fun targeting them. There's a bee. Please go away, bee. Let's go. You get. That's a striper. Oh no! It was a little smallie. Oh, dang it. Oh, it come off again? Dude, oh, he fucking destroyed it. Tricky. There we go. Knew it. Foul hooked him. They're small ones anyways. I'd be mad if they were the huge ones. What's going on, guys? Friday afternoon now. Got done fishing at Echo Bay earlier. Forgot to film an outro there, so doing it here in my office, PC room, shoe room, hobby room, wife's office stuff. So yeah, today was cool. Didn't catch too many fish, only 3 of them, but my PBs, I think. So some huge fish today. Wish I could have caught more, but it's all good. We got some big ones today, so pretty happy with that. We'll see some more fall fishing coming up, so stay tuned, guys. Catch you guys on the next one.